May I have your attention, please? Welcome aboard the MV World Odyssey, semester at sea's floating campus, and you're home for the next 110 days.
Alright, so I had my first global studies class, and that was actually really fun. Alright, so also I went to the campus store today because this was the first day it was open, and everybody says like everything sells out, so go right away. But I got a map. People said to get a map because you all sign them at the end. And I also got our Voyages shirt. It has like all the places that we're going on the back of it. And then I also just got this crew neck sweatshirt, which they were like pretty much sold out of. They only had one size left. So I'm gonna give you a little cabin tour. So here is the door when you walk in, and then we have, of course, our life preservers. We have a mirror. It's super tiny. We do have plenty of storage though. We have 3 closets. This one is mine. And then here's our desk area. And they also have a TV where you can see where the ship is at any time of the day. But as you can see, we're almost to Hawaii, which is so exciting. And we have a tiny little bookshelf, and they gave us a picture of a window because we don't have a window. So, and here is my roommate's bed, and then my bed. We got one of these over the door hangers to store like all of our beauty products in. Here is the bathroom. These open. We don't have anything in it because we don't really have a lot of stuff. We both packed pretty late, honestly. And here's a little sink, toilet, and then here is our shower. Yeah, so that's our little cabin.
These days, it's not easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need it's not easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me.
Alright, so today is Sunday, January 12th, and we are in Hawaii. We finally made it to our first port. I'm waiting to get off the ship. I have a field program today. I'm going sailing and snorkeling, so it should be super fun. Hi. Alright, so we just got back from Hawaii last night. Hawaii was really good. We went snorkeling, and it was really rainy, sadly, and cloudy. And they actually told us that we weren't gonna get to go snorkeling because the ocean was too rough. But after we got out there, they said that we could go ahead and snorkel. So we got to see like sea turtles and stuff, and then we just got to walk around Waikiki for a little bit, and then they let you send postcards from each port. So I got this postcard and this little magnet, and our walls are magnetic, so I think I'm gonna try to get a magnet and a postcard from every country and then just put them on our wall right here. Shout out to my friends back home for bringing the tea to sea. You guys are amazing and I miss you.